Chirag, I think he, you know, joined NumberNagar like a couple of years back. I think 2-3 years back. So he was with NumberNagar for about a year, and basically he was taking maths course at that time, maths class, and he's. I mean, I must say he's a shy kid. I mean, he has his own. I mean, one thing which I liked was like the teacher made him feel comfortable, and he was able to open up and understand, and the concept of explaining the things in a very practical way, through games and all that is something which is unique about NumberNagar, rather than like a textbook or practice approach. They also make it. I must say, like a little more fun activity. It's activity based subject explanation. So that's what I like about NumberNagar. Thank you. I think the ambience is good. It makes children feel less like they're spending time at a class or in closed doors. So it makes. I mean, I think they can easily open up when they come here. It's comfortable for the kids, and the teachers are they make it easy for them to understand, make them happier. So, yeah, that's what I think.